Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tim and I do lifestyle and fashion content.
It's at 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my yard. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're in.
So I've already done my brows using this it's the Essence brow pen, so I just brushed it up and went through it, nothing hectic. Then I sprayed my face with this MAC Fix Plus, and now I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline eraser. Just something light to do on my shorts, just so they're looking a little bit, put together. While that is drying down a little bit of bronzer. Just gonna take some on the brush. Just like that. I'm just gonna blend out my concealer. I really need a bigger apartment so that I can have a room just for work, like this type of YouTube and stuff. But I'm manifesting it. Y'all are the first to hear that I'm manifesting a new apartment or a house even. It's coming. My house is coming, my studio is coming, my 100,000 followers are coming, and I'm so grateful for it. Then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of powder. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Going in with a big fluffy brush. That's so much powder. Women just use all of it for the whole face. I don't want to use a lot of powder. I proceed to use the whole tub. Call them ding 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 ding. Yeah, would have let me go out with that powder sitting here now. The next thing I'm gonna film is the get ready with me and answering questions. And the questions, yeah, they're a bit hectic, guys. My sky high Maybelline. Always look down, trust, because then you get like the bottom part. You know what I mean? Second coat. I like this one because it doesn't clump. That's the final look. Okay.